Aloha, Will with OraWellness here. On behalf of the whole team, we're really excited to finally be able to show you how to maximize your benefit of using OraWellness Shine, our remineralizing and tooth whitening powder. Two primary purposes or intents of us making OraWellness Shine. Number one, to provide you and the world a product that we could use in the mouth to help stop existing decay as well as protect against future decay. As well as we wanted a secondary benefit of OraWellness Shine to be able to have a gentle whitening benefit on the teeth. So OraWellness Shine is a tooth powder. There are several ways to utilize it to maximize your benefit. Here's a few. The first thing we learned about utilizing Shine was that you don't want to wet your toothbrush and then dunk it in the powder. I learned this the hard way, and what we found, although that's the real simple, that's the natural way you'd go about it, the problem is you're going to get more and more moisture into the powder, and you're going to get halfway down that container. It's going to turn into some gooey mess that doesn't look like it's very much fun to use. We found that it's really important to keep moisture out of this container to keep it in the powder form. So we've designed a coconut wood spoon, this cool little spoon here, to be able to use as a dispenser. So I'm just going to take up a little bit of the powder, and I'm going to hold my toothbrush over the Shine container so that any extra powder that doesn't make it on my brush is just going to fall back into the container. And that's ready to go. Now for added benefit, you can definitely use a drop or two or three, however you brush with your Healthy Mouth Blend normally. And you can apply the Healthy Mouth Blend directly over the Shine as well. Now that you have your brush ready, you're going to utilize the Shine and apply the Shine to your teeth. Now, because our teeth have vertical lines between the teeth, we do recommend that you brush vertically as you utilize the OraWellness Shine, just so you get between the teeth a little bit better than our normal micro back and forth bass brushing technique. Now that said, if you have some gum recession and some exposed root, it's still perfectly fine with OraWellness Shine to use the bass brushing technique along the gum line there so that you get the whitening and remineralizing benefits along the gum line as well. Now let's talk about if you want to have a greater remineralization impact, if you really want to maximize the power of utilizing Shine. What we suggest is that you use multiple applications of the Shine on your brush in one brushing. The very best way we have found in our family to be able to apply Shine to our toothbrush multiple times to use it in various areas of the mouth that need more remineralization support is to take a little bit of the Shine, take a scoop of the Shine, and put it in the palm of our hand. Okay, now I'm not going to get any moisture in this container this way. So you can multiple applications. You can apply and brush and apply and brush. If you're germ phobic, there's nothing wrong with it. If you think that this is gross or you don't want to use your own hand, wash your hands first, right? But if you don't want to use your own hand, nothing wrong with using a small dish. I did this for several months, and then I finally succumbed to Susan's strategy, which was to put it in the hand, and this is way easier and simpler, and it just makes a heck of a lot of sense. So another strategy you can use to get a little more remineralizing benefit to a certain area. Let's say you've got a certain area in your mouth that you're like, I know there's an active cavity there, and you just want to put a little more power into that area. You can just simply take a little bit of Shine on a dry finger, right, and apply it directly to that area. I'll demonstrate, for example. And just work it into the area and leave it be, let it sit. The formula of OraWellness Shine is going to dissolve into your saliva and hang out in that general area for some time and be able to provide greater remineralization support. If you want to create an even longer effect, you can create a little bit of paste with some Shine, maybe a little Healthy Mouth Blend, as well as a little bit of coconut oil. I'll show you how I go about that. For this, I do use a small container. And I'm going to take some Shine and just put a little bit of Shine in there if you like. If you use our blend, by all means, put a drop or two in. Now, when you're making a paste, it really does not take very much liquid at all. You could just use a little tiny bit of water right now, but in this case, that shows you how cold it is in Hawaii right now. Our coconut oil is a little solidified. So just take a tiny bit of coconut oil, and now you're going to make a slurry or a paste out of it. This is going to A, grab my brush much more easily, and B, I could apply this Shine paste to an area that's affected that I want greater remineralization for a longer period of time. So if you want to focus on gentle whitening of your teeth, here's a suggestion that I have. So to accomplish a gentle whitening, what we want is the dry shine on our brush. So the most effective way to go about this would be to put some dry shine either in your hand like we showed you in a small container, and you're going to dip your moistened toothbrush into the dry shine and now brush vertically on the front teeth, and then apply some more shine and brush on the front teeth again. So you're, rather than brushing throughout the mouth with shine immediately, you're going to utilize that dry shine and brush just your front teeth, again vertically, to get most of the tooth surface. And then if you do have some receding gums, some exposed roots, then some Bass technique along the roots to get the shine benefits along the gum line as well. The super cool thing is, as you focus on whitening your teeth, unlike so many conventional whitening and bleaching products on the market, you're actually going to reduce your sensitivity rather than extremely increase your sensitivity, which is what most whitening products on the market do. So those are the various strategies and ways that we've utilized shine in our mouths to help us benefit. But we want to hear from you. How have you benefited from it? Do you like the delivery method of the coconut spoon? Do you like the flavor? Do you not like the flavor? Love it, hate it, whatever. In a few weeks after purchasing OraWellness Shine, you'll get an email with a survey that'll ask you these questions. We want to hear from you. Together we can continue to develop and evolve OraWellness Shine and make it even better. We look forward to hearing how you've benefited from utilizing OraWellness Shine. By all means, if you have any questions, holler. We're here to help. Thank you and aloha. Shoot it up your and give it a give up your finally. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. To rap. Rap. Rap.